Once the homemade muesli is ready, breakfast becomes this easy. I have already shared how I make my homemade muesli on my channel. Today I am just showing you one of my favorite ways to turn it into a quick, fresh breakfast. Since this homemade muesli has no added sugar or extra fat, it can be a good breakfast option for people managing type 2 diabetes or cholesterol. With oats and nuts, it's simple, wholesome, and satisfying. I start by adding the muesli to a bowl. This part is already done for me, which is exactly why I love keeping a batch ready. Then I pour in cold milk, and right away it starts turning into one of those breakfasts that feels calm, light, and actually satisfying. And now the best part, berries. They make the bowl look fresh, taste brighter, and add that little just juicy contrast against the creamy muesli. If you want, you can add banana or chopped apples on top, but even with just milk and berries, this already feels complete. Mix everything and let it soak for just 10 minutes. This is the kind of breakfast that looks pretty, takes almost no effort, and makes mornings feel a little more put together. It turns creamy, fruity, slightly nutty, and really easy to keep changing depending on what fruit you have at home. This is one of my simplest breakfast bowls using homemade muesli, fresh, easy, and perfect for busy mornings. That's it. Until next time, stir with soul.